What's the next step for our client and for your organization if you're already using BIM? Well, the next step is to keep on doing it. Innovation is your opportunity. By expanding your use of BIM within existing workflows and using BIM with new services, BIM can help you increase the value of your software investment, can also provide better project performance, and can open door for new opportunities and for new revenue streams. So your target is to be more and more efficient by leveraging the entire suite of tools that are available for you. On this slide, for example, I list only 2 examples, and there are plenty, but these are just simply 2 tools that are right here. One of them, the one to the left, is Dynamo, and I'm sure some of you have already been using it. Dynamo is a visual scripting and automation tool that empowers you to code without needing to learn how to code. How awesome is that? So, for example, if you said, oh, I wish Revit can do this, and I hear that all the time from my clients. Well, now Dynamo can allow you to take this element and connect it to that element and make it talk to that element. It works well with Revit, with robot structural analysis, with Navisworks. It's very famous that it works as an add-in with Revit. So if you guys want to give it a shot, I highly recommend it. Also, to the right, we have the famous Navisworks. And many people know Navisworks because it's a great clash detection tool, but it has abilities beyond clash. So you have timeline animation. You can show the building being put together and how it's impacting the site. You also have flexible takeoff, so you can take count of elements that are not modeled but do exist on elements that were actually modeled. So these are simply 2 tools that can help you move forward if you've been using Revit for a while, and other tools as well. And if you want to be more efficient, you don't want to stop where you are. I know for our client that they had connected systems, but maybe the next step can be engineering calculations in Revit and other tools. Thank you so much for your for listening to me. It was a lot of information, but some of the key takeaways that I would like you to remember is that the goal is for you to stay competitive. Can you survive without BIM? I'm not going to answer that question. I'm going to leave it up to you. During this presentation, we focused on how you should understand what BIM truly is as a process and not as one particular tool or one segment. We talked about how your firm should establish a vision, should establish a set of goals, and how leadership should be driven at your firm to assess that the new workflows, to keep on tracking and measuring that change. And we talked about incremental integrated change, and we said that at the end of the day, you have to pick a project. That project can really be any project. You have to pick the right team, and you have to train your team and have a better understanding of your end goal, because it always depends on what your goals are. That's how you know how you would like to use BIM. Also, please remember that if you have any questions regarding this process, or if your company would like us to assess them or would need help with a particular project, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We work with we have a wide variety of clients, from small companies to big companies to government agencies such as Port Authority in New York, New York City School Construction Authority, KPF as an architecture firm, JB&B, one of our MEP firm clients, and many, many others. So thank you all.